Hey there! Before we dive in, make sure to click the trial link in the description to start using AWeber completely free. It's the perfect tool if you're building your email list or launching your first campaign. If you're looking for an easy and powerful email marketing tool, AWeber is one of the top-rated platforms in 2025. Whether you're a creator, small business owner, or coach, AWeber helps you grow your audience, automate follow-ups, and boost your sales, all without needing to be a tech expert. Rocket what's new this year? AWeber now offers White Heavy Checkmark AI-powered email templates, write better, faster, and more engaging emails in seconds. White Heavy Checkmark advanced automation, trigger sequences based on clicks, opens, and even sales. White Heavy Checkmark landing pages with built-in forms, perfect for lead magnets and free offers. White Heavy Checkmark e-commerce integration, easily sync with Shopify, WooCommerce, and more. With AWeber's drag-and-drop builder and real-time analytics, you can start getting results from day one, no coding needed. Still asking what is the best email marketing tool for beginners, or how to automate email campaigns in 2025? AWeber is your answer. Trusted by over 1 million users worldwide. If this helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment sharing your thoughts or questions. And don't forget to share this video with someone starting their online business. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Smarter Email Marketing with AWeber.